Now continuation of previous video, that is sum number 12. I will be starting now. Sum number 12. It is given in that form: p square q square minus 12 pqr plus 36 r square. So first you have to express it in the form of perfect square and then you have to put the values. So here we can write it in that form: pq whole square minus twice pq. There is 36 r square. So from there what you can get? 6r. Now if you multiply to 6 2s are 12 pqr. Middle one is coming. So it is okay. Now 6r whole square. Now see here. There is negative sign. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this equal to, we can write a minus b whole square. Now values given. This first part is over. That means we have expressed it in the form of a minus b whole square. Now we have to put the values of p, q, r. P given 4, q given 7 and r 5. So here we will put 4 into 7 minus 6 into 5 whole square. Now 4 into 7, 28 minus 30 whole square. Now if we subtract 28 minus 30, so 30 is greater, so there will be negative sign, minus 2 whole square. So when you will find out the square, so minus into minus, that means it will be plus, and 2 square means 4. This is your final answer. Clear? Then next one. Number 13. 4 m square plus 4mn plus n square, and value of m given minus half and n given 4. Clear? It is given that. Now easy. Now you can do yourself also. This we can write 2m whole square minus, oh sorry, there is plus 2 into 2m into n plus n whole square. Now this equals to, we can write 2m plus n whole square. Now we have to put the value. Value of m is given minus half plus n is given 1. So this and this cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Now this it is 0 whole square means 0 answer. Clear? Number 14. 25p square plus 90pq plus 81q square. Value of p given minus 2 and q given 1. So this equals to what we can write? 5p whole square plus 2 into 5p into 5 2s are 10, there is 9p, so we need 9q, and last term 9q whole square. Here, now this equals to, we can write 5p plus 9q whole square. Now values you have to put: minus 2 minus 10 plus 9 minus 1. So your answer is 1. Okay. Now number 15. A given 2, B given 1. Now 49 means what you can write? 7 whole square. So 7a whole square minus 2 into 7a into, from last term, 81 means what you can write? 9b whole square. So there will be 9b. Now if you multiply, you see 7, 9 7 is 63. 63 2 is 126. 126, so the middle term is coming. There is minus sign, so it will be in the form of a minus b whole square. Now value of a given 2 minus 9 whole square. So 14 minus 9 whole square. Now 14 minus 9 means 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 5 whole square. So it is coming 25. So this was in that form, express as a perfect square and find the value. Clear? So there were 11, 12, 13, 14, 5 sums were there. We have completed this. Then find the product with the help of formula. Clear? 99 into 99, all of you can multiply yourself. But it is written that with the help of formula, you have to multiply. So how we can do this? (99) into 99. Here, formula means either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So 99 means what you can write? 100 minus 1 into 100 minus 1. Now you see, here you can also write 90 plus 9 into 90 plus 9, but it will be problem for you to calculate. 90, you have to multiply it again. 9, when you will calculate 90 whole square, clear? And here without 100 whole square, very easily we can calculate. After 1 there will be whole square, means there will come 40. So you have not to multiply. So this multiplication you can use by this form also, or you can do by this form. Better we will do by this form. So here 100 minus 1, twice it is coming, that means whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So we can write a square minus 2a into b plus b square. Now I have told you 100 into 100 you have not to multiply. After 1 you will put 4 zeros. Minus 200 plus 1. Now these and these multiply, add 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 200. So after subtraction, it is coming 1001 minus 200. It is coming 10,001 minus 200, 1, 0, 8, 9. Okay, so it is coming 9801. This is the answer. So 9, with the use of formula you have to multiply. So we will do it in that form. We will write 100 minus 1 into 100 minus 1. It is coming twice, so it's whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Then a square means 100 whole square. So don't multiply 100 into 100. After 1 there will come 40. Directly you will write minus 200 plus 1. Clear? Suppose there it is coming 100 whole cube. So don't multiply. After 1 you will write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? In this way you will do this multiplication. Now next one. 999 into 999. So here also we can write in that form 1000 minus 1 into 1000 minus 1. Then it will become whole square. Twice it is coming. Then a minus b whole square formula. So 1000 whole square minus 2 into 1000 into 1 plus 1 whole square. Now there are 3 zeros square, so it will become 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2000 plus 1. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus 1 minus 2000. So if you subtract, then what you get? 1, 0, 0, 2, 9. That means it is coming 9, 9. It is coming 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 0, 0, 1. 9, 9, 8, 0, 0, 1. Then 1001 into 1001. It is, we can write, minus we will not do here. We will write 1000 plus 1. 1000 plus 1. Here 1000 plus 1. Here, so it is becoming this. Now it is in that form, a square plus 2 a into b plus b square. Now 1, 2, 3. So I have told you square, that is 6 zeros. Now all addition. So it is coming 1, then 2, 0, 2. It is coming 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. This is the answer. Clear? Then you will practice that one. 105, you will write in that form 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 5. Similarly 220, you will write 200 plus 20. Otherwise it is not possible. In form of 100 you can do 200 plus 20. Clear? Then we have to find out the squares of the following expressions. There are 3 terms. Clear? So it will be a little bit bigger one. Okay, now see 105, how we can write 105. You will do it yourself. 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 5. Then it is in the form 100 plus 5 whole square. Clear? Now find the square of the following expression. There are 3 terms. It will take little bit time. X plus 2y plus 3z. Yeah. Here we have to separate. That means we will write down A will take x plus 2y and B will take 3z. Here. Now it is, suppose it is A, it is B. A square plus 2A into B plus B square. Again you see it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square plus 3 2s are 6. We will multiply 3 2s are 6, x into z, xz plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, y, z plus 9 z square. Then again we have to multiply, this step we have to do. This is coming x square plus 4xy plus 4y square plus 6xz plus 12yz plus 9z square. We can arrange this. Here we can end also, or we can arrange it in this form. X square plus all the square terms we will write first, then 4xy plus 6xz plus 12yz. This is my final answer. Now next sum in next video.